Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find your credit card number in the Chase app. Let's get started. First, open the Chase app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, there are a couple of ways to access the information you're looking for. The quickest way, if you have the latest version of the app, is to swipe near the top where you'll see options like statements and documents. If you don't see it there, simply tap on your specific credit card account first, and then look for the statements and documents section from inside that account. No matter which way you access it, you'll eventually land on the Statements and Documents page. From there, tap on the Statements tab at the top. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct credit card account. Next, tap on your most recent statement. It may take a few seconds to load. Once the statement opens, scroll to the Account Summary section, usually shown in a gray sidebar area near the top of the document. In that section, you'll see your account number listed. This is where your full 16-digit credit card number appears. For security reasons, it may sometimes be partially masked depending on your settings, but on the official statement PDF, you'll typically find the full number displayed. And that's how you can find your credit card number using the Chase app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.